MicroStrategy still going higher, but they were much higher in the pre-market. They had a plus 9% day yesterday, up only 1%. Let's see if they can continue the tear or if they're going to take a little breather today. But you could see another high today. Coinbase up slightly more. And let's see, like a mining stock like Mara, up more. Anything that's Bitcoin related right now is looking pretty darn good. Let's see how today is. If today is going to be like a retracement day, like a consolidating day, or if we're going to continue forward. Because yesterday, quite honestly, we had a huge update. But you know what? We could continue. The momentum could definitely push us forward. Textbook trend reversal. We already know this. I showed you guys big cup and handle. This is part of the handle. We're breaking upwards, right? Slowly but surely, we're breaking upwards, and that's part of the handle, right? And it's looking pretty good. And I'm going to show you guys near term where that's going. But long term, even by the end of this year, 2025, right? We have a good chance, 90, 100K by December. I don't know, this is drawing like, maybe it's like 110, 120 before December. I think that maybe that's a little bit too much, but I think 100, like right around 100, 105, I think we could hit that. Ultimately, this is what it looks like. It's not something that we haven't seen before. We have seen this plenty of times before. All previous cycles, we kind of mimic the same pattern over and over and over again. We have the halving event, and then we go sideways for a little bit. Then we go through Pumptober or Uptober, and then we start the parabolic rise, and that is where we are. David says, I just happened to glance. David said, I'll be surprised if we even break all-time high by December. Are you kidding, my man? We're like 2,000 points away from all-time high. Normally, you're not this bearish. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, all right. Last few things. I'll show you this again. Same patterns. But what's interesting about this is, even though the patterns somewhat look similar with Bitcoin, look at the dollar amount and look at the market cap. Okay, look at how far things have come, and man, it's just quite amazing. It's quite amazing. The only thing I disagree with is the top. This one is looking at the top. This is marking Bitcoin's top at 120,000, which is very, very, very low. But, you know, maybe it's true. I think it's more closer to double that, like 240,000, which is more appropriate, considering all the other estimates are around there. But nevertheless, look at how far Bitcoin has come every cycle. And every cycle has only been 4 years. 2013 is not that long ago. Most of you guys watching me know that. Do you guys still remember when the first iPhone came out? That was 2007. I still remember it vividly. iPhone 1 with Steve Jobs, 2007. That was before Bitcoin. That was before the first cycle. To me, that's not too long ago, right? You could have bought Bitcoin in 2009 or 2008 for a penny. And look at where it is now, right? Just imagine another 4 cycles from now. Imagine in 16 years or 25 years. I showed you guys a clip last night. Van Eck said in 2050, conservatively, very conservatively, they believe Bitcoin will be at 3 million. So if you think 71,000 is high, what do you think about 3 million in 2050? That's how Bitcoin rolls. Doge continues to spike up, primarily because of one man, Elon, and his Department of Government Efficiency. So Doge continues to skyrocket, and that's good. So people that's been holding on since 2021 has a chance to make back their money. And also a lot of memes like Popcat has been going nuts. I didn't know this. Popcat now has a larger market cap than Bonk. What's going on with Popcat? What's going on in Bonk? That's kind of crazy. You know, Bonk always seems to get shafted. Like everything. Whiff surpassed Bonk. Popcat surpassed Bonk. I don't know what's going on with Bonk. They just seem, they're like up there, but they just don't seem to like really take off. Stacks finally went through the Nakamoto upgrade, which makes them a lot faster. And supposedly it's going to be better overall for them. So obviously Stacks layer 2 offers programmable layer for Bitcoin. Many people use them. So good for them. Yesterday we smashed through a whole bunch of shorts. They got liquidated. We went through the first level already, which is the 71.7 here. You could see that. They just got wrecked right now. Okay. So the next level is the 71.89. We got about 19 million. That's gonna get wrecked right there. Okay. So that's the next level. The next level is 72,000. That's the most important one. And that's 29 million right there. Right. And then after that, we got 72.2 and 25 million. And then 16 million, 72, and goes all the way up until like right here where there's like nothing. 73 and then 73.8, like right here. And then it starts about like 74, right? This is basically all-time high. Like right around here. You notice like here, it's like clear. Around 73.8.